Hey guys, it's AYASEN. Vroom! I have a big news for you. I started new AYASEN YouTube channel. Woo! Called AYASEN from Japan. Woo-woo! On this channel, I'm gonna show you about Japanese culture or Japanese food. AYASEN. Let me introduce myself. I'm a singer-songwriter, writer, AYASEN. Yeah, I'm from Japan. I live in Japan. So I want to show you about Japan, and I think you guys, you're interested in Japan. So please check out this channel. On this video, I want to show you about chopsticks. I got these chopsticks as a gift. Hey, oh, it's nice. Ooh. Do you know how to use chopsticks? Like, ding. I'm very good at use chopsticks, so I can teach you like this 3 finger and ding 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 ding. I can pick everything. For example, okay, this is I don't know how to say it in English. Ta-da-da! Yay! I can pick everything! Woo! Okay, so this video is just introduced, so please check it out other video too. Thanks for watching. Bye! See you next time!